We are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 theory book, and we are going to work on sailing melodies. Now, we've been working on legato and slurs, making it smooth, and they have a question at the top of the page. How are a melody and a river alike? The answer, they both twist and turn, neither go in a straight line. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play these for you. And then over here, you're going to match the shape of the music to the little sailboat on the water. So you need to pay attention. Does the music go up and down? Is it more straight? Is it like a roller coaster? Up and down, up and down, up and down. So let's play. I'm going to play the first one, and I want you to play these too and play them all legato. Okay, here we go. Number 1, connect each melody to the river that matches its shape. So here is letter A. So how did that sound? Listen. Okay, so this piece, we go up and then we come back down, and then we have a very small little wave that goes up and down. So which one of these 4 looks like it would be a representation? A big wave and then a small wave. Which would be the correct one? Okay, B sounds like this. Listen to that again. Okay, so this one, we have a wave coming down, and it sits still at the bottom, and then it goes back up. So which line looks like it would be that melody, where it's going down, it goes back up, and then it kind of levels off? Okay, now let's listen to C. Listen to that one again. Okay, now, which line does that sound look like it would sound? This one has a back and forth, kind of like a rolling motion. So which one of these lines has a rolling motion that would match the music? Okay, now for our last one, our letter D sounds like this. Let's listen to that one again. Okay, so we're at the bottom of a wave right here. And now we're going to go up, and then we're going to sit up on the top of the wave. So which one of these is a picture of this melody right here? Okay, and then E is a question for you. Can you draw the shape for this melody? So I'm going to play it. And then over here, you're going to draw what type of line do you think matches this melody? Okay, now draw a slur from the first note to the last note for each melody above. Play and listen for a smooth legato sound. So you're going to draw your slur from the first note to the last note on all of these. Okay, now are you ready to find out if you got your lines correct? Okay, let's play through these really quick and I will give you the answer. Here's A. And the answer is this line. Da 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 da. Okay, the second one. The answer is this one, because it goes down into the ditch and then back up the wave and sits on the top. Okay, C. The answer is this one, because we're doing da 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 dum, da 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 dum. And D must be the one that's left right here. It's sitting down at the bottom, and then here comes a slight wave, and then we sit up at the top. So isn't it interesting how you can picture the movement of a melody? And it's like a river.